Alright, here we are again with some more stuff for the bike. So the exhaust just came in. It's not anything crazy. It's a little $200 exhaust I got off of eBay from the forums. There's like a couple people were running and it sounded good. Nothing's been like wrong with it after 2,000 miles on it. So I was like, let's give it a try. Why not? If it's the same look, same performance for cheaper, why not? For now, anyways. I mean, I will probably end up going Yoshi or M4, but for now, I just went with this little eBay exhaust. So let's go ahead and put it on and see what it does. All right, so here is the exhaust. It's real pretty. The welds are good inside and out. Way less heavy than the stock one, and it's not as massive also. I mean, look at this thing. It's huge. Let's go ahead and get a sound clip of the stock exhaust. Alright, so let's go ahead and just start taking the fairings off. So we're gonna take this whole bottom piece, this one off as well, and go from there. Okay, so to get it off, it was pretty simple. Just get these three off. There's a little clip that goes behind this part right here on the back side, and one that was on the little black piece down there, or two. You just pop those two out, this one out, and then all the bolts on the black piece, and there's two screws on the blue piece, and one here, and then one more in the back. So you take all that off, and it comes off. Alright, so we finally got this heavy bastard out. Let's go ahead, put it to the side. And crank the bike on. No, I'm just playing. Now let's go ahead and start throwing the no one in. Okay, so my phone died, but after fighting off mosquitoes and fixing little fitment issues down, I finally got it. So let's go ahead and show y'all. So this is how it fits. I wish the logo would kind of show, but I guess in a good way. Like in a way it's good that it doesn't. I don't know. Doesn't show that it's a rep, I guess. But this was the biggest part for this to get like inwards, and where I was gonna bolt it up. So I took off the first OEM hinge here, and I went to this back one here, and they gave me like the little like L-shaped bracket, and I just hooked it up in the front and put it to this and bolted it or tied them down, and that gave me that fitment. And then everything else just was smooth. From here it was smooth until I just had to figure that out. But now let's go ahead and hear a sound test. sounds pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, but I do want to see what it sounds like with the silencer in, so let's go ahead and try that. There's nowhere to like hold it in. I just kind of dropped it in there because there's nowhere like to like screw it in so it holds. So I mean, I guess let's just see what it does. No harm in that, I guess, right? Okay, so now time to put the fairings back, and I actually have a like heat tape. It came with it, but you can get some from AutoZone or something. And then just put it by the plastic on this side that's near the headers right here, and maybe if it's close enough, like some area over here. But definitely, like I know it's gonna be hugging this area, so definitely gonna put some that heat tape right there.